I've spent the last 6 months deep inside the AI influencer market, and I'm going to save you months of wasted time. Most beginners fail for one reason. They copy-paste generic guides. They create perfect plastic dolls that no one cares about. If you want to make real money in 2025, you need a system. Here is the complete blueprint. Let's start with the foundation. First, you need visual intuition. Don't just post randomly. Watch what top models do, analyze their content, and see what works. Second, niche down. A generic blonde with blue eyes will get lost in the crowd. You need a specific vibe. Is she a nurse? A teacher? Maybe a goth girl? Without a unique style, you won't survive the competition. Now let's talk about the tech. This is where everyone gets it wrong. Avoid Flux for now. It creates faces that are too plastic and perfect. Skip Stable Diffusion XL. It is outdated for beginners. The current meta is Qwen or Qwen. Why? Because they generate that home-style amateur photo quality. It looks like a real picture taken on an iPhone with bad lighting. And believe it or not, that imperfection is exactly what sells. Next is the dataset. How do we make her look consistent? First, generate a base face in Midjourney or Flux. This is your seed. Then, build a dataset. Find 15 to 20 reference photos from Pinterest, different angles, lighting, and poses. Use a tool like C-Dream or a FaceSwap bot to put your base face onto these reference photos. Crucial tip, keep your resolution consistent, around 1440 by 1080. Prepare a text file with prompts for each image. This folder is the DNA of your model. Moving on to training. We are not just prompting here. We are training a LoRA. I recommend using Musubi Tuner on RunPod or Wavespeed. I will leave the link to Wavespeed in the comments. It might sound technical, but it is the most reliable way. Once trained, you get a file that knows your character perfectly. Plug this into Comfy UI. Now, you have a content factory that generates your consistent character in any scenario. Next step, creatives. You need to fill your feed fast. For photos, use C-Dream for quick face swaps. It is fast and the algorithm loves it. But photos are not enough. You need video. The top-tier tool right now is Higgsfield. It is an all-in-one app that animates your AI model perfectly for Reels and TikTok. Don't waste time on raw tools. Higgsfield is what you need for viral growth. Finally, the money. Marketing is 70% of your success. My favorite traffic source right now is Threads. It has easy organic reach. Post carousels, steal catchy captions from competitors, and drive traffic to Instagram. But here is the funnel: Threads to Instagram, to a bridge page, and finally to Fanvue. And the biggest secret? Chatting. Don't expect passive income from subscriptions. 70% of the money is in the DMs. Set up an auto-welcome message and start chatting immediately. That is where the real business is done. The market is not saturated. It is just full of lazy people. If you treat this like a business, you will win. I've linked the full breakdown and tools below. Good luck.